The FRUSE Velociraptor Dinosaur RC robot stands out with its realistic design and movements, closely imitating a real dinosaur's gait rather than merely sliding on wheels, truly taking children back to the Jurassic era. The dinosaur robot is equipped with an auto key performance button on its head, which, when pressed, triggers an automatic sequence of walking, growling, dancing, and glowing, providing a captivating play experience that diverts kids from video games. Equipped with a multifunction remote control, this dinosaur robot can be directed to move forward, backward, turn right, left, walk 360 degrees, and even emit a roaring sound, providing an engaging and interactive play experience. Constructed with high-quality, sturdy ABS material, this RC dinosaur toy is meticulously crafted with detailed carvings, precise jaws, huge teeth, and 3D eyes, ensuring not just durability, but also a lifelike appearance. Measuring approximately 17.7 by 8.1 by 6.9 inches, this dinosaur robot serves as an educational tool, helping kids learn about dinosaurs and prehistoric culture, making it an ideal gift for dinosaur enthusiasts. With a rechargeable battery and a USB charging line included, a single charge can keep children entertained for hours, making this dinosaur robot a cost-effective and long-lasting source of fun and learning.